Exciting news! The 2024 Nobel Prize in Physics goes to AI pioneers John Hopfield and Geoffrey Hinton. Their fusion of physics and machine learning has reshaped AI, greatly impacting our daily lives. Why were they awarded? Today we'll take a closer look at it from the perspective of video understanding. So, what exactly is video understanding? It's a crucial area of artificial intelligence and computer vision. Essentially, it enables machines to comprehend video content like humans do. This means recognizing objects, scenes, emotions, and even the narrative within the footage. Pretty fascinating, right? Today, video understanding relies heavily on something called multimodal approaches. This means integrating visual, auditory, and textual information for a comprehensive analysis. Normally, we use several techniques here. The first one is called deep learning. This helps us extract features and model sequences of video frames. The second one is natural language processing. This converts video content into text, making it easier to understand and retrieve. And also, the audio analysis. We analyze audio signals to extract environmental sounds, speech, and music. Now, I guess you understand what is video understanding. You might be curious, why is this important? There are lots of aspects video understanding can do, such as enhance user experience by providing personalized content recommendations, improve security with real-time monitoring to prevent incidents, drive business value by uncovering insights to support marketing decisions, foster technological advancements, creating new challenges and opportunities in AI. Video understanding finds diverse applications in various fields. It powers video recommendations, intelligent surveillance, autonomous driving, and tools like AI video generators, leveraging its capabilities to efficiently produce videos. With AI and video understanding, creating videos has become simple and quick. Take JoggAI as an example, an AI video ad generator, which quickly turns URLs or product visuals into video ads within minutes. So, what makes JoggAI stands out? JoggAI can convert URLs to videos and transform product materials into video content. Skip the filming and editing. Just upload, select, and get captivating videos in minutes, boosting your engagement effortlessly. JoggAI automatically understands, selects, and edits your video clips. By understanding textual descriptions, images, and video content, create compelling narratives in various styles. Diverse avatar from JoggAI's library for you to select, or you can create your own AI-cloned avatar. It also offers a wide range of templates tailored for different product categories. Well, that's for all today. Thanks for joining me in exploring video understanding. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share the video. Stay tuned for more insights into the innovative world of AI and technology. See you next time.